We're here at
Aullwood Audubon.
we're here at Aullwood Audubon in Dayton, Ohio.
To see the trolls before Todd does.
You heard it here first. You're gonna see it here first. So we'll see you on the inside.
Turtles. This guy over here is a
He's
big
just
one.
chilling.
Look at this one. Look at this guy's neck. He's not even scared of people. Usually they run back in their shell. Don't get too close. What? Hi. They're so not afraid of humans. They're just like, what's up?
This guy's like, pick me up.
What?
This guy's like, pick me up.
I know, right? He acts like he wants to be held.
I'm sorry, buddy.
What a Christmas town looks like.
What's up your alley? Look at the stairs. That's kind of cool.
I know. Today's birds. Like seriously, how's the wind not blow the stuff away? Number 2. I think that was summer. The last one was running, and the other one was fall. I don't think we're supposed to be touching it though. Woo! Ooh, butterfly.
Butterfly in the sky. I could go twice as high.
Is that reading rainbow?
And let's see. Here's the nest. Tell me that ain't cool. Right, Todd? How much did it cost to get in here?
I don't even remember. $12 or something like that, maybe?
About $12 to get in.
Better than the Museum of Illusions. Do not climb on it. Do not remove any decorations. Controls want everyone to be safe. Please play in the nest. Wow.
Now I wish I had the drone.
Yeah, this would have been a cool aerial view. Didn't you see reels that had drone footage?
I don't remember.
You could have brought it up right here.
Is it too late to go back?
Yeah. Sun. Look at this sun. I gotta read the story. I should have read the story before we came here. There's a whole story on it. It's back there.
A bench?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, it's underneath all the trees. Oh, how cool is that? Birds. Woo! That's how I break my glasses all the time. You know, don't bend down and pick them up for me or anything. Just keep filming. This is really cool. We're underneath the tree. You're gonna get stuck. this where the troll hatched the egg? I think we have to double back past the parking lot to go to see the other two. There's Bo and then there's something else, another one.
Found boy, BB. We found BB. I think BB was the coolest one, I believe.
He's the one that flies. There's a duck up there, so you can look at him from up high. See if you can. Go up to the deck.
It's so cool. What if that would climb?
He's got a big old butt. Is that a bird watching tower? Or is that so you can see Evie from behind?
Oh.
Getting a couple of cat out. Ew, smushed him. Gross.
Alright, we are here at Aullwood Audubon with the trolls.
With the trolls.
We trolling. We be trolling.
Good one.
We've seen one so far,
And their nest.
and the nest. On our way to see
Bo.
Bo, and then Bo
Dill.
diddle. Bo dilly dill dill. My nil. We'll see you when we get to Bo.
Oh, you're funny. I think the air is getting to us because we're not used to so much fresh air.
The troll that hatched an egg.
How cool.
Hi, how you doing?
Pretty good. How you guys doing?
Great.
Which is what I'm about to do right now.
It wouldn't take much. It's hilarious.
Oh Lord.
What do you think?
Look, he's even got a toenail. Look at that.
Yeah, stay back here.
But you can see the trolls from there.
It's the baby.
No, this is the mother. Evie was the baby. It's the daughter. Bo's the dad. This is the mom. She's in the doggy style position. What's with these trolls in the propane tanks?
I think it's supposed to be their eggs. Alright, so we saw all the trolls, and the nest,
Oh, there's so many of them.
and the farm, and the turtles. There's no lack of turtles around here.
Look at them. They're swimming. There's so many turtles in here. Look at them all.
There's a turtle head poking right there.
There, those little bumps in the moss.
So, good time. If you're in Dayton, come check it out. The trolls.
We beat you, Todd. Ha ha.
We'll see you on the next one. So, let's ride. Let's ride shirts. Now available. Cops before you cops you. Later. Available! T-shirts now available.